How to install your Nexxt Home Smart Wi-Fi baby monitor with Nexxt Home. Make sure you have all the parts you need at hand. Put the silicone head cover. Make sure to match the holes and slots in the cover with those in the camera. Put the fixed stand back in the camera, or you can place the flexible bracket instead. Insert a memory card into the slot. To remove the memory card, push it gently and it will pop out. Connect the baby monitor to the power adapter and cable and plug it into an outlet. The baby monitor is ready for either pairing or reset. To reset the baby monitor, simply press the reset button on the rear side of the camera for 5 seconds. The LED ring will light up in red again. Then, you will hear a chime and it will start blinking pink light. The baby monitor has entered pairing mode and is ready to connect to your mobile device via the Nexxt Home app. With this, you have learned how to put the cover, switch the brackets, insert a memory card and restore settings on your Nexxt Home Smart Wi-Fi baby monitor.